to you, but just come to the front of your mat and just have a play with your toes. So just spread your toes, get all the toes working independently of the rest of your body. So fanning your toes down, drive the weight down through the ball of the foot and then the blade of the foot. So you're trying to spread the soles to the side. And then lift your heels and send your heels down back. Now from there, lift your toes up to engage the arches. And then just settle your toes. So as you settle your toes, you still want to have that connection with your arches. Can you feel that? Good. So have a shoulder roll. And then start to lengthen your body. So pull the rib cage away from your hips, draw the tummy in. And we're trying not to come into an extended position again, so just pull those ribs towards the back, good. So bring your hands into your heart, thumb to sternum and hold it there. So I want you to set an intention for your class. So whether you just want to go with the flow, whether you want to embrace the challenge, whether you just want to do what is best for you, so no egos. Sometimes that can be a very hard thing to do, to not feel obliged to do everything. So just pick an intention, or you just want to have fun, or I'll remind you of that through the session. So have a deep inhale. And as you breathe out, just dropping the chin slightly and blinking your eyes open. So take a breath in, reach your hands up towards the ceiling. So the first part, we're just going to warm up through the spine a little bit. So try and pull your elbows back without popping the hips forward. Bend your knees and then stretch forward as you come down into a forward bend. Hands on the shins, inhale, lengthen the back. Think of a half lift, flat back. So boobs up, bum out. Good. Exhale as you come back down. Breath in at the bottom, exhale, tummy in, roll up. Bring your hands up towards the ceiling, inhale. Hands to heart, exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, bend your knee, forward fold. Inhale, half lift, back is straight. Send the crown of the head to me, tailbone to the wall behind you. Exhale as you come back down. Inhale, bottom, exhale, roll up. Hands up towards the ceiling, breathing. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, arms up. This time we're going to have straight legs, but if you need to bend them, bend them. Exhale, fold forward. So you may or may not be able to touch the floor, it doesn't really matter, but each time we work into our forward bends, you're going to try and work a little bit deeper. Hands on the shins, inhale, lengthen, flat back, shoulder blades drawing down to your hips. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bottom, exhale, roll up. Hands up towards the ceiling, breathe in. Hands to heart, exhale. Last one, inhale. Forward fold, straight back if you can, exhale. So think of hinging at the hips. Head to knee, hands on the shins, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward.